September was another turbulent month for stocks as uncertainty around global growth and Federal Reserve policies unsettled markets worldwide. Let's take a look at some of the major events that affected the markets last month. Worries about China and global growth dogged markets again last month and contributed to the volatility. China's economy is lagging, and investors are still concerned about how a slowdown there will affect growth around the world. Surprising at least a few analysts, the Federal Reserve declined to raise interest rates at its mid-September meeting. Fed economists decided to hold pat mostly because of concerns about how slowing global economic growth might affect the U.S. economy. The Feds also believe that inflation is mild enough not to require a bump in interest rates at this time. The Fed's decision means that central bankers are taking a very cautious approach. However, some analysts worry that holding off risks more trouble for the economy down the line. In a separate speech, Fed Chairwoman Janet Yellen laid out a case for raising interest rates later this year, suggesting that the economy is ready. However, she also emphasized that the decision to raise rates will be dependent on incoming data, so we'll have to wait and see what the coming weeks bring. At the end of September, we got another revised estimate of second quarter economic growth. The latest data showed that GDP growth accelerated to 3.9% from 3.7%. Higher consumer spending as well as construction drove the gain. Hopefully, upcoming data will show that this increase in activity has continued into the third quarter. As we move closer to the holiday shopping season and the end of the year, we expect domestic fundamentals to play a larger role in markets. While there's no doubt that the international growth picture is rocky, the U.S. economy is driven largely by domestic demand. We hope that additional clarity from the Federal Reserve will give investors the confidence they need to get back in the game. As always, we're keeping a close eye on events that will have an effect on the markets, and we'll update our clients as necessary. Though periods of volatility are stressful, they can also provide opportunities for savvy investors. As financial professionals, part of our job is to help position our clients for success in all market environments. That's it for the September Economic Update. Please remember that nothing we talk about here is a recommendation. As always, if you have any questions or concerns about what we've discussed here, or if you would like to discuss your personal financial situation, please give us a call at 480-422-8522. We'd be happy to speak with you.